Hello guys, welcome to my page. I go socially by the name The Nigeria Waver, and the purpose of this page is to help those that are new to the wave game. And if you're interested in growing 360 waves, you're at the right place. I'm here to keep it as cheap as possible for you and to tell you what works, because it's what works for me. And right now, I'll just go straight to it. Please like and subscribe. And also take advantage of reaching out to me on Instagram, and I've also included my Instagram tag below this video. So let me get back to the video. What you really need to grow 60 waves, it would be you definitely need a mirror. And the reason you need a mirror is to be able to see the back of your hair. And because when you start brushing, to be able to get a better definition, you would definitely need to be able to see the back of your hair. And also over time, after brushing, maybe within a couple of weeks, the definition starts from the back, where sometimes you will not be able to see it from the front. But once you start looking at it from the back, you'll be able to start seeing progress. And the next thing you will need is the pomade. I use this. This is one product that I know that works for sure. Now you're just new to the game, so you don't want to look into nothing natural right now. This is what you need. Go to the store, buy you one of these, and it does the job just perfectly. And the next thing you need is a hairbrush. You want to invest in hard hairbrush, not the soft ones. I have the soft one, and I use it maybe after just getting a fresh haircut. But if you really want something that works, you want to go and invest in a hard hairbrush, because that's what works for coarse hairs. And the next thing you would definitely need is a do-rag. A do-rag, preferably two. But if you can get a do-rag and get you like a compression cap or a skull cap, get you some tights, get something, just have something else above your do-rag, because when you're asleep, sometimes this can fall off, and you need some water. Try to have some water in your hair every time before you start brushing. That helps a whole lot. And have water in your hair and brush. And also things you need to you definitely need to do within times. It would be before you put on your do-rag, make sure you brush your hair every time. Anytime before putting on do-rag, make sure you brush your hair. Once you take your do-rag off and you just hang around, that's fine. Always dedicate time to brushing it. In a day, I spend at least an hour to brushing my hair. And it helps. Even at the stage that I am in right now, I still dedicate an hour to brushing my hair. So you want to spend as much time as possible to brushing your hair, especially being a new waver. And the reason you need water is because obviously to make waves you need water, right? So you definitely want to have water in your hair. And also pay attention to the back of your hair, because you want to get into a good routine, and you want to build a muscle memory of how you want your waves to go. 360 waves just seems to be easier to get, and there are different kinds that you can also go for. But if you're really interested in 360 waves, you're in the right place, and I will definitely work you through getting that if you need my assistance. You can reach out to me on Instagram, or you can just message me on YouTube. And I'll be able to give you some more information if you need it. My goal is to try to keep my videos short, and try to keep it below 3 minutes. Please take your time to hit the subscribe button, and just for algorithm's sakes, can I just have you just hit the like button as well, because it helps a lot. And I do appreciate you for showing the channel some love, and please come back and I will have more for you. Thank you.